And okay, I will import here PDF. Okay. So then import PDF, and let me take this PDF. PDF, this number 5, H5. Okay. So okay, and here. So this is a typically problem that this is not a native PDF. This is only a scan. Scan, and somebody put this raster pictures in PDF frame. Now, if you need this file as a native DWG files, you have to vectorize it. And we have here in our software a fantastic methods for vectorization. It's very simple. Go here on new drawing. Okay. Go here on back to CAD tools. Okay. And go here on PDF tools, AI PDF import. Okay. Select the file. I will select here now this number 5. Here in our view input, you can see immediately what is it. And you can see we have walls here, we have horizontal and vertical text. We have here, this is how it looks, okay? So let me keep it here for a moment, because I will now decide what we are doing with it. Raster to vector. So what I recommended every time, simple, make a solidization. This is a very easy method, solidization of this drawing. Like you don't recognize something in the drawing, simple make raster to vector with the method of solidization. So everything will be a solid. You can work with it in CAD system. But only one thing is this looks absolutely identical to this drawing. Okay. So let me check it. Look, this was solidization. It's a very interesting thing because you can work with it. You can move it here something. You can move this everything here, edit, move, and it looks identical to the drawing itself. If you don't believe it, go here on white background, switch it off. Look, so let me go check this corner here. Okay, can you see it? So let me check it. Look identical, but you can work with it. Of course, if you need something a little bit more, because now you are working on it, you can do what you want with it. If you need this as a native drawing, so as a vector drawing, you have to vectorize it. So let me go now here on PDF tools, here this AI PDF import. Okay, select file, 5, and now look, raster to vector. AI recognition of lines and symbols, AI recognition of walls, recognition of corners, circles, crosses, dashes. Here, recognition of recognized edges and corners. Here you can switch on a lot of functions. If you don't want to know what you have to switch on, simply go on a wizard and look for something that is similar. This looks similar, and then you can upload this immediately, the settings. But the default settings are every time best for construction drawings, and start it, and you will get a beautiful drawing. But I show you something. I still didn't activate any optical character recognition. To be coming. Okay, I'm going here. Enter. So now you can see we was able to recognize windows, walls. So we was able to recognize a lot here. So like now, if you go here now on home and see what kind of layers we have. See, we have here walls of separate layers, a lot. But I'm going here again. Okay. The old settings are here, still here. Go here on PDF import. And now I'm going on select again the file. And now I'm going here, let me check it on this one. Yeah, I need here 8. Okay. And here optical character recognition. We have horizontal text. So horizontal text and vertical text, English. Okay, I activate now optical character recognition and started. Why the optical character recognition is not activated as default? Because you can mess up a lot with using optical character recognition. You know, this is not a page of a book. If we have page of a book, we can use dictionary. We can use a lot of methods to correct the text. In construction drawing, you will find a lot of abbreviation, a lot of symbols, a lot of text what is not really a word, you know. So then like here, for example, in back quality, we don't know what is. You can see this W is connected with N. We have no idea what it can be. But if you, as human, you can correct it here. You see in 18 texts, we are in doubt, what is it? DLR, this is DLR double point. Simply go here through and try to recognize it. Here we was not able to recognize what is it. What is it? UTL? No, lean. What is lean? So we didn't find it in dictionary. Okay, okay, good. Now after the correction, you can go here, enter, and you will see now we have the drawing. Look, now we have drawing with a native text. Native text. So very good quality drawing. We have horizontal and vertical text recognition, everything. So this is how we can work with scan. So last subject is